The area of a trapezium is 1968 centimeters square. If the lengths of the parallel sides are 63 centimeters and the 101 centimeters, find the distance between them. Now they have given area and parallel sides. Let's take this as ABCD, and parallel is AB parallel to DC, and parallel sides, the shorter one is 63 centimeters and the longer one is 101 centimeters, and the distance between the parallel sides H not given, we have to find. So A is 63 centimeters and B is 101 centimeters. We don't know the height, we have to find the height. What is area of trapezium formula?
Half into height into
sum of parallel sides, A plus B. So area they have given, area of this trapezium is how much? 1968 centimeter square. Done?
Yes, sir.
So half into H of A plus B is equals to area. Okay. So half into height, we don't know the height. Parallel side 63 plus 101 is equals to 1968. Okay. H by 2 into 63 plus 101, 164 is equals to 1968. And if we cancel 164 divided by 2, what you will get, ma? 82. So 82 into height is equals to 1968. Here it is multiplication. When you are shifting 82 to the right side, it will become 1968 by 82.
82.
So do the division. 82 into 2 is 164. And again, next
82 into 5, sir.
328. 82 into 4 is 4 is 8. 8 4 is 32. So that means 82 into 24. Done?
Yes, sir.
Do the
Yes,
division,
sir.
don't confuse.
Sir, 4.
82 into 2 is 164. So what you will get here? 32, and you have to take 8 here. Next 82 into 4 is 328. So what is the remainder? 0. So height is equals to 24 centimeters. Done?
Yes, sir.
Completed.